Hello everyone, welcome to Team WS channel. And today in this short video I'll show you how to fix protected content cannot be viewed on this device problem in Windows 10. So before starting video, if you're new to this channel, then hit subscribe button, and without wasting time let's start a video. So first of all, open control panel. So now let's go to control panel, and after that go to network and internet settings. So here click on this network sharing center. After that go to this media streaming option and turn on these settings. So now just click OK and then go back to home screen. So now again go to start menu and then go to firewall and network protection and just follow every step. So that's all for this video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.